y'all, I'm back again, and I have something that's a classic, you know, a must-have in your collection. This is Miss Gigi, and I've been waiting to pick her up for a while. I have her in the color that's on the model 99J. She's an instant fashion cap by Sensationnel, and what I love about caps are that they are easy to do. You can style them, you know, you don't have to deal with the lace, so it's, you know, pretty easy breezy to deal with. So yeah, let's get her out the packaging. I already like, I don't know, I just should have been got this one, but it's all right. She sells out a lot, especially in the color. When I was like, I've seen her in a lot of different colors, but I was like, you know what, I want this 99J, baby. Look at that. Those are some beautiful, beautiful curls. So yeah, let's look. On the model, you see she's wearing it up, so you can definitely pull her up. I have like one of those long stretchy bands. I have several of them. There's some colors on the back that you can get in her as well. And I'm pretty sure she probably come in black. I'm not sure. I don't see her on here. But usually they'll carry this in black. I'm pretty sure they do. Those are just probably the colors that they have. So let's get into this inside construction. In your basic cap construction, you do have combs in this one. Right here in the front. And we'll flip her around. You do have a comb in the back. And you have... Alright guys, so here she is out the pack. I haven't done anything to her. I just wanted to show it to you straight out the pack. Not messing with the curls. Uncombed. She pretty though. Like, shoot. I can play with this, so let's see. You can definitely comb her down like this with your fingers. You just play with this one. That's the beauty of it. Stop, stop, stop. Yeah, this is all you do with her. She's so pretty. That's what I don't even know. Because you can't go in and frame, cut to frame your face and whatnot. But I really don't even fool with trying to cut her because I like it big with this. That's kind of like the point of getting this one. But yeah, she's pretty. Definitely has potential. All right, y'all. So yeah, this is Gigi. I definitely love her. I think she's so pretty. You can play with her. I can't stop messing in this hair. It's just so pretty and perfect. I love the fullness of it. I mean, it's so stinky cute, man. I'm like, I love these. Love these wigs like this, man. They're so cute. The curls are beautiful. Yeah. So please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you later. Kudos.